If Lucidchart is not loading for you, don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. We'll start with the simplest checks first, then move into browser cache, extensions, network issues, and even what to do if only one specific document is broken. This is a quick troubleshooting guide anyone can follow, whether you're on Windows or Mac. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Lucidchart in an incognito or private window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift and N. On Mac, press CMD, Shift and N. This is one of the best ways to test whether the issue is being caused by your browser cache, cookies, or an extension. Once the private window opens, sign in to your Lucidchart account and try loading your document again. If Lucidchart loads properly here, that usually means the problem is with your normal browser session, not Lucidchart itself. If it still won't load, that's okay, just move on to the next step. Next, do a hard refresh of the page. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5. On Mac, press CMD, Shift and R. A hard refresh forces the browser to reload the page and ignore older saved files that may be causing display issues. If that doesn't fix it, go into your browser settings and clear your cache. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl, Shift and Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data menu quickly. From there, choose to clear cached images and files. You do not usually need to delete everything else, unless you want to. After clearing the cache, close the browser completely, reopen Lucidchart, and check if the canvas loads correctly. If Lucidchart still isn't loading, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with web apps like Lucidchart, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers. Try temporarily disabling extensions such as AdBlock, uBlock Origin, and any other security or script-related add-ons. After disabling them, refresh Lucidchart and see if the page loads. If it works, you've found the cause. At that point, you can either leave that extension off for Lucidchart or add Lucidchart to the extensions allow list. Now let's check your network. Sometimes the issue is not the browser at all, it's your internet connection or VPN. If you're using a VPN, disconnect from it and try again. VPNs can sometimes block certain app resources or cause loading problems. If possible, switch to another network like a mobile hotspot and reload the document. This helps you test whether your current connection is the problem. If Lucidchart opens on another network, then your original network may be restricting something the app needs. If the issue only happens with one specific document, then the document itself may be corrupted or glitching. In that case, go back to your Lucidchart Documents dashboard. Find the document that isn't loading, right-click it, and choose Make a Copy. Then open the duplicated version and see if it loads properly. If the copy works, that usually means the original file has a problem, and the duplicate can help you keep working without starting over. This is a great workaround when only one file seems broken. If you've tried all of these steps and Lucidchart still will not load, the issue may be temporary on Lucidchart's side, or you may need to try a different browser altogether. In many cases though, one of these fixes will solve the problem quickly. The most common causes are browser cache, extensions, or network interference, so start there first before assuming something is seriously wrong. I hope this tutorial helped you get Lucidchart loading again. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next troubleshooting guide for more fast fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.